Hi guys, in this video I will show you the Maven download and configuration. So for that you need to open Google Chrome or Edge. So in Google you can search Maven download. So here you can visit the official website and then just scroll down a little bit. Then here you can see the binary tar.gz archive file here. Just click on this link and then it will download here. Once the download is done, you can go to that download folder, then just extract that tar.gz file. They will get a folder here. Just copy this and then go to C drive, program files, and then here you can create a folder here. Go inside and paste it here. So once it is done, just go inside, copy this path, right click on this PC, click on properties here, and then click on advanced system setting, then next environment variable, and then in the system variable section just click on new, and here you can write maven underscore home, then you paste the path what you have copied, and then you copy the maven underscore, just click on ok, and then select the path here, then click on edit, then click on new here, and percentile paste maven underscore home, paste that, then class in on ok, okay, then open a command window, then type maven -p. You can see here maven version 3.9.9 and is java version here java 17. That's it in this video. Thank you.